I've gone through several decks on my test bench over the years. Some of them broke. Some of them I just wanted a better setup. This one's been working really, really good, but I've been eyeballing this thing for a while. I mean, I've been wanting to use one of my old Pioneer flip outs for a long time to switch this out so I can have a little bit bigger screen when I'm testing amps. But those things are ancient. They probably still work, but they're ancient. This thing right here is going to give me the bigger screen that I want and look good doing it. Got a little plate right here. Mount that somewhere on here. Dude, that's nice. Woo. So I've never hooked one of these up before, this particular type of head unit. I don't really know what I'm doing yet, other than the basics. Guess I have to use this thing. What does it say? Installation guide? Dang, I finally have to open one of these after all these years. So this thing has a couple of USB ports. It's hard to see, but there's an HDMI port in there, which is real nice. Got an optical cable. I love that. Every vehicle I have has optical running out of it somehow, some way, whether it's an adapter or whatever, going to an audio control processor. So it's a real nice feature to have. This is what the old one looks like. So as it turns out, I didn't need to use the bucket for anything, but this is nice to have if you do. If you're gonna mold it into something or mount it flat against a surface of some sort. But the way I did this, don't really need to. I had a singled in opening already, and I just reused it. Look at that. All kinds of features. Got my Bluetooth going already.
We went from OGs to the Sour Packs. 20.
For the test bench, we're gonna want all this stuff. So you can see right here, we got my CC1s, got my DD1, DD1 Plus. I guess I didn't name that one very good, but that's my 81. That's my tracks right there. Super nice. That thing's real nice, responsive. A little HDMI, some AV in. Apparently you can hook this thing up to one of their DSPs. I haven't done it yet. I probably will. That's pretty cool. You got the EQ. Where's the EQ at? EQs, crossovers, time delays, some preset stuff. We're gonna go flat because we'll be testing amps. But if I'm bumping some beats, I might adjust it a little bit. Volume settings. All kinds of cool stuff.
Time to eat, yeah, we really still in the streets. 20 mil a piece, I close a few deals a week. She just brought me home 20,000 cash.
It's good in there. Much better.
I
got this thing primarily because I wanted to use it on my test bench to have a little bit more surface area on the screen instead of that basic singled in action with the pause button. I just wanted easier access to all of my USB files and whatever I'm doing on the test bench. But I'm actually loving this thing as a head unit. Damn. I'm over here bumping some beats.
Duffel bag full of albums, shipping packs, I can get it, but I gotta see the major shot. I'm a GoPro. They some twat on the host row. We don't know that that's a no-no. I be chasing this dope, bro. Chill, but turn up when it's cheesy. Making moves out
About 4 volts, clean, no distortion. No distortion, 4 volts, coming out of the RCAs. RCAs are looking nice and clean, 40 hertz, 1000 hertz, all the way up, 4 volts, very nice. Let's see where this thing distorts at the speaker level outputs though. It's always gonna be a little different, usually. 15, 16, 17, 18. So at about 30, 29, 30, 29. We're still flat on the EQs. We're turning it up. Same thing. $29, $28. A little bit different, one notch. So look, 29 distortion, 28 clean. 29 distortion, 28 clean. It's like that right there. So about 28 out of 40 on the built-in amp. So this thing is nice and clean all the way to the top on the RCAs, and I wouldn't go very much past 28 or 29 on the built-in amp, but that's okay. So overall, it seems like a really nice head unit. I definitely want to buy another one. I have a couple places I want to put these. I like how it's responsive. It doesn't feel laggy or anything like that. Nice and smooth. Overall, I really like this thing, and I can't wait to use it more often. I can't wait to get to some more testing. With that, I'm out of here.